Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Yealink phone. Firstly, visit the official ooma.com/add-ip-phone for the Yealink phone. Follow the on-screen prompts to register your device. You must have an Ooma Office account. If you don't, just sign up. Align the stand A with the backslot B of the phone and slide it up until it clicks. Plug one end of the coiled cord into the headset and the other into the headset jack C on the phone. Plug the one end of the Ethernet cable into the Internet port on the back of the phone and connect the other end to an option or open Ethernet port on your router or network switch. If you're not using power over Ethernet, connect the power adapter to the power port and plug it in. If using PoE, skip this step. Now boot up and automatically connect to the internet. Begin this setup and may restart a few times when you begin. And once complete, the phone will display your extension number and your name. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.